Mel.
And I'm English.
And we're English.
Today we'll be talking about recycling.
Wait, English, what's recycling?
Good question, Mel. Recycling is the reusing of materials, and it has many advantages but also disadvantages.
Today we'll be showing you how you can recycle on an everyday basis and what happens after you recycle.
Come on!
When you recycle, items such as paper, plastic, or glass go into a separate
Throwing recyclable items into the trash leads to them being in landfills. Earth space is limited, and reducing the amount of garbage produced is a necessity.
There are 3,090 landfills that are active and 10,000 that are retired. On average, one Class 3 landfill can last only 30 to 50 years, and time is already decreasing.
Taking away papers, plastics, and glasses can ultimately reduce the amount of waste produced in landfills, overall giving us more space.
English, what can be recycled?
That's a great question, Mel, and we're going to find out. So here's a container full of a bunch of different items, and we'll find out which of them can be recycled. Here's our recycling bin, and here's our trash bin. So look at this plastic bottle. What do you think?
I think that's trash.
Well, actually, it can be recycled. Look on the bottom of any item that you have and look for a little triangle for numbers 1 through 7 in it. Those can definitely be recycled. Not all of them will have this triangle, but still think about what you can recycle. This is paper, and it can definitely be recycled, so we'll put it in here. Magazines.
What about these magazines?
These are paper. They can definitely be recycled.
What about this?
Well, this is bread, and you can't really put it into the recycling bin. The plastic can go in, but if you don't eat the bread and it's left over and it gets expired, you can always use it as compost. So for now, we'll put it aside. This is a container of peanuts. Now, if you're confused and you keep looking for the little triangle and you don't find it, it's okay. You still wouldn't throw this in the trash. Break it apart. This cover is plastic. You can put it in the recycling bin. This metal right here is aluminum, and it can definitely go into the recycle. But make sure you take out all of the items inside of it before you throw it in.
Okay. This English can be recycled because 1, it's plastic, 2, at the bottom it has a little triangle and the number 2. So this is how you know it definitely can be recycled.
Great.
Here are some benefits of recycling. 1, it reduces trash. 2, it's relatively inexpensive. For research by reusing them. And 4, it reduces environmental hazards and pollution.
Has disadvantages, and those are to be cleaned, sorted, and shipped to other places, and the cost may be high in other areas for that. There are also not enough places to recycle things, and there aren't enough buyers to recycle products. Don't let those disadvantages stop you from recycling.
Reduce, reuse, and don't forget to recycle.
Here was Recycling with
Mel English. Bye.